hello there. I hope you all had a very fun and safe Halloween. Now that that's over, I'm going to be changing up some stuff that I'm making. I'm still gonna keep doing my spooky stuff because I love spooky, but today what I'm going to be making is a gel soap. Yes, as I was saying, I'm going to be making shower jellies, and I'm making it totally different. I'm using some clear melt and pour soap. This is my melt and pour soap that I made from scratch, and I'll be using some cocoa isopropyl benzene. This is a bubble surfactant, and SLSA. This is also a bubble surfactant to give it more bubbles. And I'm using a gel powder here that's going to be used to give it that jelly factor. And I'm going to be adding some distilled water and some sodium lactate, I think, and some sorbitol, and that's my ingredients, but I'm not sharing the recipe for this. And I'll be back when I have everything melted down. Okay, so I have my soap here. I'm gonna melt this, and my distilled water and sorbitol and some sodium lactate in here, and I'm gonna heat this up, melt this down, and I will bring you right back. All right, my water is pretty hot here and ready, and I'm gonna add the SLSA to it. I should be wearing a mask. If it doesn't dissolve, like it should dissolve into the water because it's hot, and that's when you know you have a true SLSA powder. And I'm going to heat this up some more so it all dissolves in the water, so I don't want any clumps. Okay, so it's all melted. The SLSA that I put in there, that's all melted. Ooh, this is hot, gotta be careful. See, it's all melted. So what I'm gonna do is add the cocoa before I do that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon and a half of table salt to this. Okay, so I did add the salt, and look at the, ooh, this is hot. Look how it changed the color because the surfactant is in there, and with the salt it reacts. Anyways, I'm going to add at this point I am adding my preservative, and I'm gonna add my melted my melted soap. Ooh, why is it me and wax melt? I really need to. Oh, I almost forgot cocoa isopropyl benzene. Ooh, almost forgot. And last but not least, my gel powder, and that is to thicken and make this into the jelly soap that I need it to be in. I should stick blend this or no? Okay, stick blend or no? I do have to add my colors to this and my fragrance. So let me get this all in there. I guess I should have stick blend this because it can get clumpy. So I shall finish this off and move on to the next stage, which is adding the fragrance. I want to split this into two colors. I'm using my gingerbread mold. See the little gingerbread? There's girls and boys. And I think I should split it for one for boys and one for girls. Right? Right. I might stick blend this. I might. Okay, I'll be back to divide this and add colors. Alright guys, I have two of my colors here that I'm going to be using. This is a planetx Supreme colorants, and this is sky blue, and this is screaming pink. And I'm gonna just mix a little bit into the water so I can color my gel soap. Just a tiny bit. Nothing. And this is hot water. So there goes the screaming pink. And for the skyline blue, okay, so I have both my colors mixed. I think these are finished, ready to take out of the mold. This one I've already taken it out and some of it sort of drip. I think I just can pinch it off. Oops, this is not wobbly, but it is definitely smells amazing, and and the glitter ended up at the top. This one is unbalanced. I just pull the sides away and push it up, and that's it. I think I had these in the fridge for freezer actually. See, but I think that is cute because the glitter all went to the surface and there's still glitter in there. You can see the glitter there.